Hi guys, all these exams, CAT, CET, all the exams they act like Bali. Now Bali, I'm not talking about the Bala movie here from Houseful. I'm not. I'm talking about the Bali from Ramayana. Yeah, this character. Okay. The problem with Bali, the advantage of Bali or the powers of Bali was that whoever come in some culture, he's also called Wali. He had a power that whoever in come in front of him, his power will become half. Yeah. So Bali had that power that anybody who comes in front of him to fight, the other party's power will become half. Same way happens in the exam. Moment you see the exam, yeah. So the moment you come to moment you start the timer, your dimag start working half. Happened to me as well, yeah. I have made almost 1500 videos. I made almost 10,000 lectures I've conducted live. Yeah, I still my brain is still half working when I'm standing in front of the audience. या बिकॉज बच्चों को भी देखना है, स्टूडेंट को देखना है, दो लोग आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं, देन समवन इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सम अदर टॉपिक, समवन सिंह सर कैट का पैटर्न चेंज कब होगा, ये कब होगा, सीटी होगा कि नहीं होगा. सो इट हैपन्स. या मेन प्रॉब्लम इज द टाइमर. Second thing is that he's a bala, he's a cat, this is a cat exam, this is a CET exam, your career is at stake. Because of all these things, your mock performance goes down. I was talking to one student yesterday. We had a master class and he solved only 2 to 3 questions. On the other hand, the winner of the yesterday's mug is Arjun, who did 24 question attempt, and Kritika. Both of them attempted 24 question. Arjun did 22 right, Kritika did 21 right. Okay, so both of them are going to get a mug. So Arjun, please send me your address. Kritika, I've already sent her address. Your address is still pending for the mug. And today's topic is averages. Whoever do maximum number of questions of averages will get a mug. Yeah. So average chapter is important. One question in every exam is going to be from averages. So today's mug is based on averages. Okay. So how to handle this problem of the timer? How to handle so that I can perform well in the exam? So number one, whenever you give a mock, yeah, whatever number of questions you did, suppose I'm talking about the quant section. Yeah, I could do only 5 questions out of 30. So remaining 25 questions I want you to practice without the timer. Yeah, I want you to see that out of these 25 questions, how many questions you could have solved if the timer was not there. Yeah, so that I can understand my problem is quant or my problem is timer. ठीक है, तुम देखो यार, तुम टाइमर को देखो, 14 seconds left, तो देख के साला प्रॉब्लम आती है. Okay, so if the issue is a timer, no problem. From today onwards, every time you are giving a mock, every time you are giving a test, every time you are doing anything, put a timer on, so that you get used to the timer. Yeah, if the timer is the issue, then the issue is a psychological issue. So psychological issue can be handled by getting used to that. ठीक है, वो ना कि डर के आगे जीत. अगर पानी से डर है तो पानी में एक बार जब मार दो, डर निकल जाएगा. या तुम डूब जाओगे, डर निकल जाएगा. सेम वे, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज क्वांट. देन आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन द क्वांट. यार, माई एडवाइस इज वेरी सिंपल. डू लेस टॉपिक. Do 30 questions per chapter, 30 different type of questions per chapter, but do it in such a way, tomorrow if you see any of these questions, you should know how to solve them. बस इतना कर दो यार. And lot of questions are repeated as well. For example, if from the CAT exam, CAT का quant section especially, from the year 1990 to 2000, you have to give the paper. These 10 years का paper, 11 years का paper, or you can take 1991 to 2000. This is the must do quant section for all of you. ठीक है, अगर तो issue timer है, then put timer on anything. Even if you're eating food, put the timer on, so that वो मन से डर निकल जाए timer का. But if the problem is quant, I need to improve that. So from one point of view, you can do, number one, do all the solved examples. Every chapter का solved examples. There will be 5 questions in the exam which are based on as easy as formula based. All the solved exam mean all based on the formulas. Value डालो, आंसर निकल जाएगा. If you don't remember the formula, you are gone. Okay. Then we have to find the G strategy. those that joined CET can go through all the videos. Yeah, especially last 30 days, I want you to lock yourself in the room. My last lecture will be around 15th या 20th of November. उसके बाद लास्ट 1 वीक या अभी से स्टार्ट हो जाओ, कंप्लीट ऑल द वीडियो, गो थ्रू ऑल द वीडियोज, ऑल द स्ट्रेटजीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेक्सागन, यार एवरी ऑल्टरनेट ईयर इज अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन हेक्सागन, and I have to just break it to equal parts and solve the question. Within 20 seconds, you can solve the question. Okay, so all these things you have to learn. ये आ गया तो we can solve. Yeah, I'm limiting my scope to all these things. Fine. Number 3, whenever you give a mock, do the remaining question. With timer, without timer is totally your wish, but do the remaining questions. And point number 4 is, if you're talking about the CAT actual papers from 1990 to 2000. CET on the other hand, the advantage is quant ka level is less and the quant ka number of questions also less, so I don't need to waste too much time on the quant level. Yeah, अब सिर्फ अर्थमेटिक पे फोकस करो बस, और कुछ मत करो, अर्थमेटिक पे फोकस कर लो. एंड रिमेनिंग वट एवर डू इन द क्लास इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. CET वाले भाई लॉजिक संभालो, लॉजिक इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.